Hello everyone, this is Josie from China Medical. Today we are introduce the Xray Xray printer. Firstly, you can see this model is 5302. It's very easy to connect. Just connect with the computer and with the machine and the brand. When you connected the machine, firstly you need to turn on the machine. The machine will show starting. Okay, at the same time you can open the DR Xray detector software. Okay, we already opened the software of the DR system. When you get a new machine, the first step you need to do the system setting to add the printer information into the DR system. You can get the information of the DR title, address, IP, and port from the printer system. After input all the information and then do the test. Just wait for 1 minute and then it shows the communication successful. At the same time, our printer is ready. The first step, when you connect with the new machine, you need to put the field inside. Here we put the small size Xray field inside and then close it. And here you can choose a menu. If you need to find the information to connect with the DR system software, you can choose the number 4 and then choose the general. Okay, because in our lower screen we never put any field inside, so the system give the reminder to us. And we return back to the DR system, then we can choose one field to do the test. Just click the printer, move the field into this part, and then print. Okay, after clicking the printer, when the date sent successfully, there will be one message to remind you. Here you can also see one message: do not open the trim. It's a reminder from the system. Okay, you can see the final field is very good. So if you have any question about the Xray machine, welcome to inquiry us. Thank you.